on, Muln fans? Hope you guys are enjoying your weekend, getting some downtime to recharge your batteries, and I also hope you have a good Easter as well. In today's video, we are going to look at the chart going into next week, as well as talk about the two pieces of news, one being negative and one being positive, and how they could possibly offset each other as far as the trading going into next week. Talk about some price levels I'm looking at for Muln. This is going to be an important battle going into next week between the bulls and the shorts. We're going to get right into those details, but be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more. It really helps out the channel. Let's get it. On the 4-hour chart that I have up on the screen for you, I have trend lines in different colors. Red being that 10 cent, that key critical 10 cent level, 12 cents at yellow, and then blue is around 14 cents. Quick recap looking at the chart. Before Muln Automotive dropped down below 10 cents per share, Investor Place actually gave like a subliminal warning. They had a press release that came out March 24th, and the title was like, is Muln Automotive about to drop below 10 cents? You know, creating the sentiment, the bearish sentiment for the next trading day. And lo and behold, the stock did push down as low as 8 cents. But then Muln Automotive came out with news on deliveries to MGT Leasing as well as UNCC Charlotte. So this created buying pressure that stair-stepped Muln Automotive stock price over 50% from 8 cents to around 16.80. Interesting enough, following the news, Muln Automotive stock price was pushed right back down to this critical 10 cent level. And in my opinion, I don't consider that giant red candle just under 13 cents going down towards 12 cents a sell-off. I considered it a short attack for Muln stock. Now, recently that 10 cent level did crack just a hair, but overall, as you can see on the chart, it is holding that level pretty well, and the chart is showing that it's starting to curl up going into next week. Now the 8K that recently came out yesterday, and it came out on the day that the market was closed, in my opinion, which was a good thing because it gives investors time to really look back into the details of the 8K, try to figure out what's going on, as well as fully digest going into the next trading week. Had that 8K come out intraday on the last trading day or even after hours, it would have been pretty bad in my opinion. It would have caused a panic because people would have been trying to rush to figure out what was going on in that 8K, and it would have caused a panic in the short term. And shorts would have taken full advantage of the fear and tried to flush the price under 10 cents before the bell. So while investors continue to scrub through the 8K, look for more answers to the questions and details, there is something positive that Muln Automotive has that could offset some of the fear with the 8K as well, and that is more deliveries to UNCC Charlotte. Cha-Cha has been sharing pictures and videos as well, and I think investors seeing these videos revealed and seeing that more vans are being delivered is a positive thing and will definitely help the sentiment going into next week. Here's a quick clip shared to the community between Dish 1180 and Cha-Cha over on Twitter. Let's take a look. So thank you guys for sharing that. It's showing more vans being positioned at UNCC, which is a positive thing that could offset some of the fear from the 8K going into next week. Next week, I expect to see more turbulence around that 10 cent area before Muln starts to reverse looking at the chart, I would like to see Muln make a breaking point up towards that 12-cent level, breaking it, cracking through it just a hair, and closing above it for this week. This is not financial advice. I'm just giving you my thoughts and opinions and expectations. And then looking at the chart as well, the color codes were red, orange, and blue for a reason. Red is like a danger zone, as well as like a support, key support, critical support level for Muln. And then as well, the 12 cents gets orange, a little less cautious. Then the blue line is where we want to work our way up to around that 14 cents and possibly breaking through, where Muln will get even more momentum to confirm a reversal on the stock. And with members of the Muln community continuously providing us with updates on the vans in Charlotte, putting boots on the grounds, we could probably expect some more delivery updates from the company in the very near future. That's all I got for this one. Hope y'all find this information valuable. Stay charged up out there. Don't feed the fear, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. I'm gone.
Go. Blessed in abundance. Look who raised from the dungeon. Still come through in the clutch. I'm that dime in a dozen.